Public liability insurance. Public liability insurance is designed to indemnify an insured, usually a business, in respect of claims from members of the public or companies who may suffer due to his negligence or that of his employees, and the cover is in respect of damages as well as costs and expenses of litigation incurred in the event of a claim against the insured for injury or for damage to property. Scope of cover indemnifies the insured against all sums which the insured may become legally liable to pay compensation in respect of bodily injury to or illness of any person. Loss of or damage to property. Caminco will only indemnify the insured on the condition that the accident occurred, during the period of insurance, within the places covered under the policy, in the course of work or of the performance of any duties carried out by or on behalf of the insured in connection with the business or operations stated in the policy schedule. The policy also covers all costs and expenses of litigation, recovered by any claimant against the insured, incurred with the written consent of the insurer in respect of a claim against the insured for compensation. The limit of indemnity for any on period is usually unlimited in amount, although a limit may be placed on certain hazardous risks such as fire and explosion. The limits of indemnity for any one accident, on the other hand, is the amount specified in the policy schedule. Some policies may impose excess. Underwriting information. Place of business. Type and nature of business. Number of employees. Details of other occupants in the premise, if any. Visitors to the premise. Description of work within and away from premise. Accessibility to the public. Annual turnover. Limit of indemnity chosen for any one accident and any one period of insurance. Extensions to be included. Past claims experience. Claim procedure. If any event giving rise to or likely to give rise to a claim under this policy comes to his knowledge, the insured shall, the payment of claims under a public liability insurance policy is on a loss occurring basis, that is, the claim should be made on a policy which covers the period during which the damage was actually done. The insured must notify Caminco immediately. Notify the police immediately in case of damage by malicious means. Carry out and permit any reasonable practical actions necessary to prevent further damages. Deliver to Caminco at insured's expense, within a stipulated time or such further time as allowed by Caminco, full information in writing of damage and amount. Detail of other insurance covering the same liability. All evidence and information as may reasonably be required. Thank you for choosing Caminco.